I already washed my car. Clean these up. Just trying to use some lint. STI fender garnishes should be going in like this. Here's all the 3M areas you take off. I like to peel like maybe that much, halfway, and then do the same for the other ones. Okay, here we go. Just push it against the vent all the way. Start peeling off the plastic. Okay guys, I finished installing both sides and we're gonna take a look right now. So left side, STI fender garnish. Pretty good looking mod that you can just do real quick. I can't say it's cheap, but it does give it a little more spice to it, you know. The other side. STI. So phase one, I'm trying to go for the OEM plus kind of look. Taking a quick walk around. And that's it for the fender garnish install. Thanks guys. Leave a comment, a like, and subscribe for more videos.